Speed. Objective: to learn about uniform and non-uniform motions and to define speed. In our daily life, we observe that different objects may take a different amount of time to cover a given distance. The object's speed indicates the rate at which it covered the distance. For example, in a cricket match, the distance between wickets remained the same for each ball bowled, but the speed of each ball varies. The average speed of the object is defined as the ratio of total distance travelled by the body to the total time taken. If a car moving in a straight line covers a distance d in a certain time interval t, average speed of the car is d by t. In most cases, objects travel at different speeds in different time intervals. Such a motion is called non-uniform motion. If the object covers equal distances in equal intervals of time, the object is said to be in uniform motion. The SI unit of speed is meter per second. Kilometers per hour or miles per hour are commonly used to indicate speed of various objects. Average speed gives us an idea of the overall pace of the motion of the object. But the object may have different instantaneous speeds at different instants. Speedometer in your car indicates the speed of the car at that particular instance. Illustration: a train travels first 100 kilometers in 2 hours, the next 100 kilometers in 3 hours. It halts for 1 hour, then covers the last 100 kilometers in 4 hours. What is the average speed of the train for the entire journey? Total distance travelled by the train is 300 kilometers. It takes 2 plus 3 plus 1 plus 4. That is 10 hours to reach the destination. Hence, average speed of the train is 300 divided by 10. That is 30 kilometers per hour. Summary: speed is defined as the rate of change of distance. V equals to d by t. Its SI unit is meter per second.